Hi Stampers, welcome back to Nancy at Noon. Well, today's Be My Valentine tutorial is all about showing off this piece of the Pretty Designer Series paper. It's called Be My. We are going to be making this card here. So it's a fun fold. It's a Dutch door card, and this layout showcases this pretty paper. So I really wanted to make a card that showed this part of the paper off, and I think this card is perfect. Of course, I left room for our cute little bee to take flight. Make sure you stay to the end to see how we finish this card with a touch of sweetness, with the perfect sentiment, and a perfect spot for one of the new embellishments in the new mini catalog. So the supplies I'm using, I have a sweet sorbet card base, and it's 11 by 4 1/4, and I scored it at 4 1/2. Then I have an inside piece of white that's 5 1/4 by 4. I have a scrap of white for our bee, and I have a piece of that Pretty Designer Series paper, and I have a scrap of sweet sorbet. So let's go ahead and make our bee again. I love making this bee. I think he is just so adorable. So I'm going to stamp his body in Daffodil Delight and Memento for the stripes. So if you've been watching me all week, you kind of know how we make the bee, and it makes it nice and easy because these are photopolymer stamps and you can see right through them. And I'm going to stamp a little smiley face on him. And you know what? We're going to do something just slightly different. I'm going to make the bee go in the other direction. So all you need to do, we've been stamping our bee like this and putting the smiley face right there. We're just going to turn it around and put the smiley face right there. And then I'm going to punch him out. Now I'm going to bring in the wings, the stamp set for the wings. And then I'm going to color the wings in. I'm going to stamp color in there. I'm going to use Daffodil Delight, but I'm going to stamp off so it's not quite as dark. Then I can punch that out with the heart punch. And now I'm going to stamp his antenna and punch that out with the little heart. So now we're going to put the bee together, and it's really simple. We're just going to glue the bottoms of the wings and the bottom of the antenna and put it right on our bee. And if you've missed any of my Be My Valentine videos, you can always rewatch them. Okay, the only thing I want to mention about the wings when we're making this card is I'm pushing the wings down so they're a little bit shorter, because when you put it on top of the card up here, I want to make sure that it fits in the area that we have. I'm going to bring our card base in and we're going to make the Dutch door. So this is how the card folds. I'm going to bring my cutter in. I'm going to turn it like this. I'm going to line it up at 2 1/2 inches. And I'm going to cut down to the score line. Also, just cut down to the score line or 5 1/2 inches. And you can turn it. You can either cut that with your paper snips, or you can cut it with your cutter. And we're cutting down at 5 1/2. That's at 5 1/2. And we just cut down to 1 1/4. And there's just a little piece there. So that cut away the top part of our card. So I'm going to show that to you one more time. So we had our full card piece, and it opened like that. I just turned it. So now, then I lined it up at 2 1/2, and I cut down to the score line, and then I just cut down to cut that top part off. And that's how you make the Dutch door card base. So now we're going to bring in our Pretty Designer Series paper, and we're going to glue that to the card front. So if you're enjoying my videos and my cards, please share them. There's a little share button in the below the video, and all you gotta do is click it and share it with your friends. I'd appreciate it. That helps grow my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to bring in the inside piece, and I'm just going to line it up. I'm not going to glue it yet, but I am going to stamp on it. I'm going to stamp in Memento black ink, And I'm going to stamp right over here on the left, and I'm going to stamp with the sentiment, "You're as sweet as honey." And now I'm going to glue that to the inside of our card. Before I glue that in, I want to show you a little trick. So I stamped this and the Y did not come out exactly full. The full line isn't there. I'm just going to take a very fine tip black pen, or you could use Stampin' Up's markers, and I'm just going to dot where the line should be. Just little tiny dots. And that's all I'm going to do. I don't want to play with it too much, but now it fills in the Y, so it's all there. So now I'm going to glue this to the inside of our card. Okay, so our bee is going to go right there, and I'm going to bring in the sweet sorbet, and I'm going to bring in the little stamp that shows the flight of the bumblebee, the little lined image, and I'm going to stamp that right there in sweet sorbet. Now, it probably would have been a good idea to stamp that before we glued this all together, but luckily it turned out just fine. So now I'm going to pop up the bee with dimensionals, just like that. Now we're going to add a few embellishments. So I'm going to bring in this scrap of sweet sorbet, and I'm going to punch out a little tiny heart, and I'm going to put that on our bee right there. And then I'm going to bring in these new embellishments, and they are called Adhesive Back Hearts and Flowers, and they're in the new mini catalog. And I just love them because they're a different type of material. I don't know what they are. They're kind of rubbery, and they come in Sweet Sorbet, Petal Pink, Daffodil Delight, and Pool Party. And I'm going to take the little heart and I'm going to put it right on the apostrophe of the word your. Just like that, and that really finishes off the card, don't you think? Isn't it pretty? I just love it, love it, love it. Now this card could be for Valentine's Day, but I wanted to show you a couple of different options. And when I made this card, I made it with a thank you card or an anniversary card in mind. I thought that would be perfect. So again, this is a very versatile set, and it's so cute. I love that bee. So I hope you're enjoying all this week's cards with me. And if you feel inspired and want to add this fantastic stamp set and bunch to your crafting collection, you can find the shopping links in the description below and also on my blog. Also, I have all the sizes and the dimensions and the supplies on my blog under the words project sheet. And you can look down below in the description and you'll also see a link for the project sheet. And just so you know, if you treat yourself to this bundle and the Be Mine Designer Series paper, that will qualify you for a complimentary celebration item. So that's a free item. Plus, you'll also receive my exclusive host code gift for free. And if you look, one of those items that you can choose are these adorable hearts and flowers embellishments. They really, really are so versatile and so cute and great for spring. So that's it for today. Let me know how you like the card. Don't forget to share my video. I'll see you tomorrow at noon for a fun fold. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.